We got a few minutes to share some stuff. This is going to be more focused on the daily and what's going on, what we're trying to accomplish. We talked about it in the last video where we were saying that, 11,766, but let me dissect it a little bit further so that people can see what exactly is going on. This is stuff I usually don't release out to people, so consider yourself lucky because I'll show you. Oh boy, look at this. I'll show you what I'm going through as far as analysis wise into arriving at these things. As you can see, I mean, clear as day, inverse head and shoulders, right? Well, yeah, sometimes they fail. Um, you didn't get that reaction over there. I mean, over here, but you got it over here where it dropped a bit. We didn't get the full drop, but we got a warning, a little bit of a warning. Um, Right now, the daily is fighting over this. I'm gonna go ahead and just close this out. Bang. All right. Right now, I should never erase that. Who cares? I'll just make a new chart. This is what the daily is fighting for a close. That price right there, 11,765. If we close below it, that means all of this space up to here becomes free. If it's a free fall. Um, You got a potential for a bounce right here off of this candle. I'm not going to put too much weight on it, but this will serve as a support. Then we got to go to the hourly chart to see. We got to go to the hourly chart to see where the support is at, and with that, so I just put that there. This is what our support is looking like, and I could tell you, like right now, we can probably do a bounce. How big will that bounce be off this area? I'm not too sure. So that's not really my concern right now, but I'm gonna go back to the daily, and that's the first area to be looking for. Closing above. Now let's give you the other side of the equation, which is closing above 1827.5 would put us in a free range area of doing whatever, going up to like higher targets. We are currently in a range where we have not done that, but once we clear out candle volume and close in above that, we'll be in a good area where we will have the range will be this big. It will be 1827, 10, 11,827 to this. That's your immediate range. 908. The next range, 924, 11,924. Breaking that, you get access to this. Actually, there is one more high time frame support, I mean resistance for 9Ks, which is 11,980s to 70s. That's some stuff from the past. I'm pretty sure it's going to have some sort of reaction with the market right now. Is it going to stop it? No. But I'm just giving you heads up on, when you see a drop, how you know these things are coming beforehand is by understanding what you're trading. So this will become our resistance. At the most, we can get a double top, or last you can trade all the way up into 12 threes, come back down into this area right here, and that price, the resistance hit from it, end up putting pressure for us to close below this candle. That's scenarios for us to look out for before they happen. I like to stay ahead of the market and not have the market stay ahead of me. So that's something I'd be looking for. At this current price and what's going on, I still think that the market is, it's bullish, and because of that, you got to treat it as such. So right now, I'm still looking for long positions. I'm not too crazy about shorts. Um, when short opportunities do arise, for instance, if this thing closed below the 11,765 price that we talked about, then that brings in a whole nother equation. You flip it upside down, and what it does is it puts us stuck within this candle, and it makes it where we can travel back upwards. Right now, we are in this one, which is still short territory. Remember, I turned the chart upside down. and we are within the wicks of this one. It's still a good argument because we have not escaped this candle. So we're still trading inside this range area, and the range being again, which was mentioned in another video, 12.1 to 10.5. So right now, I'm just looking for that and trying to stay aware. And again, if we get a 4 hour close below we get a 4 hour close below 11,765, then I'm going to go ahead and warrant that with suspicion and say that the market is going to do this. I mean, look at this. Remember, this is the chart flipped upside down. And when I say that, I mean, if you were looking at this chart, you would say it came down here and it bounced. That looks bullish. And then right now it's just bleeding out until it comes back to that area and then bounce. That's the stuff you got to be aware of. You don't want to be caught with your pants down, people asking what's going on. And right now, I can tell you we are in this range. So if we close within this, price is right here inside that. I mean, you can see the line is right there. Price closes within this, then this will be our immediate range. These people are somewhat free right now, and this becomes resistance. All right. So they're playing games. What I mean by that is, if you look at the price just now, it just jumped up $20. We got 5 minutes left on the clock, and we have $4 for price to get down. Actually, $6 for the price to get down below to the area that bears would like. So just be on the lookout because a lot of this support right here is pretty used up. This is all beat up stuff right here, and if BTC goes down, only thing that you really could look at going up is some BTC pairs and also XRP, not USD, but that would become like a little bit of the focus for it. But this area is giving Bitcoin a lot of trouble compared to anything that it's went through since the 9Ks, and that was almost $3,000 ago. So something to look out for. Again, I like to be prepared instead of being scared, and that's something that I want to do. Another range you want to look at right here, and you can start looking at the stuff like candles closes below this and below that. That's another range right there. So once price goes into that and you get a 4 hour close beneath it, then you know where you're going. It's really that simple. I'll put a price on it. That right there, 11,431, very important price. We turn it back the way it's supposed to be, and it looks like that. So I'm just showing you what price is showing me, and pretty much that's all I got right now for the market. And we also had a bearish divergence that played out a bit. Whoa, big one. We had this, and then it came up right here. See, I didn't even see all of that. I did not even see all of that. Yeah, this one right here, and then it comes right here. All right, because I mean, down here, this is a little bit of a correction, whatever, but it never showed any strength or any steam after the correction to really do anything spectacular. Um, I don't think the chart is bearish, but what I do think is that we're going to trade some more within this range, and it's going to give another long opportunity for longs to make profits while people get excited about shorts. So that's the look that I'm taking, and that's all I got right now.